Nel and this is my dad Daryl, and today we're making fish pie.
Woohoo! So I've already prepared some of the ingredients. So we've got the cod and the smoked haddock in the milk. We're going to poach that. It's just got bay leaves and some pepper in it. The salmon has been rubbed with oil and seasoned. That's going in the oven. We've also chopped the potatoes and peeled them, and they're ready in water, ready to go on for the mashed potato topping. We've got our fish. It's out of the oven. So we poached the smoked haddock and the cod, didn't we, Nel?
Yep.
And we've oven baked the salmon. We're going to pick that in a second and make sure there's no bones in it into this bowl. We've got the mashed potatoes, which was, the potatoes were boiling whilst the fish was in the oven. I've actually mashed them. I used a hand whisk, electric whisk, cream, butter and salt, just to taste beautiful, ready to go with that. So next we're going to pick the fish and we'll start the sauce. So we've got we'll start with the salmon. We're going to peel the skin off. It should come off quite easily. It's crispy, it's lovely, I'd eat that. Right, we're going to take the extra salmon off. Now if you want to peel the skin off of the smoked haddock, yeah, leave it in the bowl. Okay. It might all come off as one piece, look, if you're really clever. There you go, like that. You are really clever. I know. I don't know why I said that. Silly dad.
Ooh, gooey.
Alright, so now pick up this piece of fish. Pick up that piece. Right, now look, watch daddy, watch daddy. Yeah. I'm going to flake it off. I don't want the skin in here. Right, listen, stop. The fish is going in here, but we're checking for bones. Okay, so you're just going to, we've washed our hands, obviously.
Yeah, obviously, that's the main part.
There shouldn't be any bones in here. But we're just making sure. We don't want bones in our fish pie, do we? And we don't want it too small. How's that? Right, let's go and wash our hands. Okay. We've kept the milk from poaching the fish. I'm going to use that as the base for our sauce. So we just need to sieve out anything that's in there. There might be some flakes of fish or skin or anything that I don't want. There's bay leaves there. And this is also the dish that we're going to put the fish pie into. So I'm just going to wash this up quickly. Okay, now, thank you. We've got our saucepan here. We're going to now make the sauce. Obviously we strained the milk. We'll start with the butter now.
Yep.
Can you take the butter out there? Just pop it in the pan. Take the butter out. Just pop it straight in the pan. Yep, straight in there. Thank you. Turn it on. Right, the heat's on now. Remember, be careful. We'll put it down to a medium heat. Want that butter to melt. Next, we are going to.
It's melting.
We're going to cook our leeks. So do you want to pour them in? Fantastic.
Oh wow. That's big.
They're going to we frying those gently for about 3 or 4 minutes, and they're just softening up nicely. And now we're going to start making our sauce.
Saucy sauce?
Yep.
Saucy sauce? Yay, saucy.
So what came out of the fish was, let's have a look. Yeah, about 700 mils of milk. We may not need all of that, so we're going to start first of all with our flour. Now, am I keeping you up?
Sorry. In where?
Straight in here, please.
In here?
Here goes the flour. Yep, give that a stir, please. Let me turn it down a little bit. This is the fish stock going in now. And now. I want to keep that moving because we've made a roux.
That looks yummy.
Excellent. So we've made a roux with the butter, the flour. Now we've added the fish stock, and now we're going to start adding our milk. Now, can I help you with that? It's quite heavy.
No, I can do it.
Okay, fine. Slowly, because I might not need all of it. What I want a sauce Obviously I've got to cook this out for a bit as well. So I might not add all of the milk yet, so maybe half of it. Keep going now. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. That's fine for now, so we'll put that back over here.
Whoa.
So now we're going to bring that back up to the boil. Okay, it's hot again.
Really, really hot.
We'll just see how thick it gets. If you can stir it slowly, I'm going to zest the lemon into it. Is that okay? So we're going to have the zest of 1 lemon. So if I just...
Ooh.
You smell that? Smells like summer, right?
Oh, yeah.
Beer gardens and gin and tonics. Remember those? Hey, before lockdown. Oh,
Yeah.
hey. What did you have at the pub? In the pub garden. Hey.
I had apple juice.
And bowling chips.
Yeah.
Very
Fat
nice.
chips.
Fat chips.
Very, very fat chips.
Season it. Taste it.
Taste.
Add the mushrooms straight in now. Pour them in. Try not to drop the bowl in.
Well.
Never mind. Next we're going to put the sauce into our oven dish.
Can I have
Yeah. I'll tell you what you're going to do. You're going to put the fish in. So can
the
you...
fish in?
This fish has got to go in this dish. Now this is really delicate. I don't want it too small. So can you just pick it up gently and put it in the dish here. That's it. As quick as you can. You can do more than one piece. Tip it in. Shake it in. Let's do it like this. So if you hold it one hand, now you use your hand and pull it in. That's it. All over though. It's got to be, so we want to spread it all out. You know, like when you made your pizzas. Now,
Yeah.
and you put it everywhere. Yeah? Beautiful.
Also our last video.
Beautiful, exactly. That's right.
Ugh.
Right, we're going to carry on with the sauce, and I want some spinach. So all the spinach, put some spinach in there.
Ooh,
Now,
nice.
can you put some spinach on?
I want to eat it.
Yeah, go on then, put some spinach on.
That much?
Keep more, we're just going to cover it, and then I'm going to put some more sauce on. How's that? Looks good, doesn't it? That'll do. Okay, put the rest of the sauce on.
Oh, no. Do the sauce.
Right, it's been really hot. You know how hot it is. You just made it, haven't you? look at Mum like that. Look, at the look at the camera like that. You gave me the death stare. Show them the death stare now. Show them. They want to see it. So here we've got almost all the ingredients in our casserole dish or oven-proof dish. We've got all the fish, the sauce, the spinach. We've just got the prawns to put in. Now these are raw. We put them in raw because they're going to cook in the oven when we get the pie in the oven, and obviously they're going to be covered with potato as well. We'll put them in now raw. Otherwise, if we use cooked prawns, they're overcooked and they're rubbery. So this normally I would wait until this sauce was actually cold as well to put the prawns in, but we want to eat this evening, so we're going to put them in now. Nell's having a break, so I'm just going to pipe the potato on top of the pie. You don't have to, you can put it on there, use a fork. This for me just makes it very, very lovely. So I pipe the mash and we're going to pop it in the oven for half an hour on 180. out of the oven. Half an hour later, we've got some broccoli and green beans to finish. And we'll get a nice picture of how we're enjoying it. Thank you.
Yummy.